Hinihila na naman natin yung ating caravan. Time is 9. Sa what time is it? Kasi ito 9:15 kasi dito sa SA is 8:46. So, papunta na tayo doon sa final destination natin. Doon talaga tayo magstay for a long, long time. Like, until July 1.
Yeah,
July 1. Hintayin lang natin si Willow. Kagabi hindi ko na na-close kasi sobrang pagod na after namin maligo. Diretso sa bed. And, eto na naman, umaga na, alis ulit. Hindi pa nga ako nakapag-skincare. Dala ko yung aking mga ilalagay natin sa ating fez. Ayan. Morning! So dito na lang sa car kasi si Sir nagmamadali na naman. Hindi na ganun kahaba ang biyahe natin. How long, Han? How many hours, Bear?
An hour and 20.
An hour and 20, o, diba? Napaka short trip lang tayo.
Probably get that up.
Then after that, mag-grocery ng mga pang-dinner natin para makapagluto na. Pero sabi ni Jan, si Willow daw roast. So bili tayo ng salad.
Be
Okay,
careful this time.
Why? Yeah, kasi yung aming, di ba naka-extended yung aming mirror? Masasagi yung ano, yung kung saan pinipress yung code. Kasi sobrang haba dito. Oh. Yeah, naka-stay na tayo dito 3 years ago. Nagstay tayo dito for 1 week. Kung maalala nyo, hindi ko nga lang alam kung na-upload ko ba yun. Kasi hindi ko natapos yung caravan life natin nung 2022 o ano na ngayon, 2025 na. Okay, say the code, Baba.
1, 5, 3, 6, 5, 888 hashtag.
Okay, very good. And maganda yung weather. Tingnan nyo, hindi kami naka-jacket. Pero ang lakas ng ulan kagabi. And etong si Zachary, hindi niya sinara yung bintana. Ayun, basang-basa dyan sa side niya. Tapos eto, basang-basa. Yung carpet, basang-basa. Okay, mag-skincare muna tayo. So, mag-get ready with me tayo dito sa car. So, eto yung aking toner. Yung Haru Haru Wonder. Ayan. Available to sa Holy Mom Style. Yun nga lang, hindi pa tayo nakakapag-vlog kasi nasa holiday tayo. At kung hindi man nasa holiday, nasa Adelaide para sa training ni Zach. And yung ating essence is Haru Haru Wonder din. Yung black rice probiotic butter essence. Ayan. Available din to. Etong mga gagamitin ko ay available sa Holy Mom Style. From Korea lahat. And meron ako dito magandang pang tanggal ng blackheads. Ito yung super melting sebum softener. Ang ganda nito, guys. Available din. Lahat ito available sa Holy Mom Style. Yung Elso, ayan. Ang ganda nito. 'Di ba before yung parang strip ba 'yon? Yung nilalagay natin dito, ginaganon. Tapos ang daming nasasama. Pero yun medyo masakit, 'di ba? Ito ang ganda nito. Tapos mayroon ka lang na may tool siya na parang pang script doon sa after nyong ibabad dito ng 15 minutes. Meron kang gagamitin na tool na available din sa Holy Mom Style. Hindi ko alam kung nandito siya. Pero pag wala dito, ipakita ko na lang sa inyo someday. Kasi gusto ko tong gamitin kay Jan. Kasi si Jan, never naman ang boys, diba? Hindi ko alam. Asawa ko hindi yan nag-skincare. Pero minsan nakikita ko meron siyang mga whiteheads dito sa ilong niya. Gustong gusto ko siyang, alam mo yun, i-scrub. Pero alam niyo naman, Johnny Boy natin, wala yung pake. Wala, hindi ko dala. Nandun sa kabila. Okay, next is yung ating Anwa, yung niacinamide na 10% plus TXA 4%. Ayan. Available din to. Okay.
Do you want to vest me? I want to vest you.
What's that? Naglalaro na naman silang dalawa ng phone. Minsan kausap ni Sak si Tads, what are you playing with Tads, Sak, when you talk to him?
He's playing Roblox.
Uy, Sak.
I don't like robots. Though.
That's good, that's good. Very good.
I'm just bored. I don't know.
Ah, you're just bored?
So hurry up then for this and whatever one you get in. Yeah, right?
Okay, yeah.
Doesn't matter.
And yung ating cream is yung Volume Tox Pro Cream Peptide 9. Ayan. Available sa Holy Mom Style. Lahat to available sa Holy Mom Style. And thank you doon sa mga nag-order kahit hindi tayo nakakapag-live. Thank you. Kasi na-sold out ako sa
The
ano,
orange one.
yung mask. Pero mayroon ulit tayo. Nag-order ulit ako kahit hindi tayo nag-live. Kasi na-sold out siya nung pinost kong ginamit ko yung, hindi to yung isa, yung mask nito, yung Medicube mask. Yung overnight sleeping mask. Na-sold out yun. Pero available ulit sa ating pag nag-live ako.
Wait, how do I win?
Last is the sunscreen. Sunscreen natin ay Beauty of Johnson. Itong Relief Sunrise Probiotics. Minsan meron pa akong ibang sunscreen din na ginagamit.
Wait.
Pero ito yung nadala ko kasi madali lang siyang bitbitin.
I lost. 150 back. We can do a bigger one. No, hang on. No. I want to do something. I got 13 to claim.
Okay, oh good. Yung spray natin na ano, nandun sa kabila, yung aking Dalba. Yung
You're only 7.
mist.
In this?
Okay, yun na.
Mum, I feel better.
You feel better? Very good. Finally, 1 week ka nang may ubot sipon. Then eto, panggabi ko to ginagamit, pati yung isa nito, yung mask. Gamit din tayo nito para meron tayong tinted sunscreen. Ito yung Lax Skin. Ayan na, okay na yan. Mag-lip tint na lang ako. Yung kilay natin, i-brush lang natin yan.
Got your ears on now?
Ayan.
Okay.
Walkie-talkie sila. Okay. Kailangan ko yan para pang-protect sa sun. Lagay natin yung dance. Para ito. Ayan. Ayan na si Willow. Meron tayong denim jacket just in case lamigin tayo.
I'm the only one that's wearing
Yeah, you don't need to jump
You
above.
don't need jump. Ay, eto na lang gamitin natin para tumagal. Yung Aqua Cream ni V-Line. Shade of ano to? Persephone. O diba, ba't ang labo? Ba't malabo? Wait lang. Malabo kayo. Wait. Labo eh. Ayan, clear na. Kanina ang labo.
And check
What? Check what?
and check the
Blinkers.
blinkers running.
Wala. Come on, check it. Ayan. Okay, yan. Mas malinaw. Sana kanina, yun, labo ng Get Ready With Me. I'm not sure. Okay, ito. That lang. Para hindi tayo maputla.
He's got to go to Watson's. He's got to get a new jockey wheel.
Go, what? You what?
Jockey wheel.
Wait.
Ay, hala, sira na.
What happened, Mum?
It's broken.
What's broken?
This one, the cup.
I reckon, right?
Tapos yung tira dito na lang.
Remember I hit one out the road here?
Yeah.
You weren't even there, you wanker.
Di ba?
Yeah, main road. I'm pretty sure it's golf course along here somewhere. Must be the next one.
Wait, Ted, I don't even know how I got that bowl in. That's good.
I reckon it's here, Ronnie.
TJ Tree.
No, they don't.
Yeah, wait.
Am I going? Can I get those two in here?
No, good. Where's your shade? Linisin natin yung kanyang shades. Okay.
If this goes in, no.
Alright? Okay. All good. Off to Yamba na tayo. Yamba. Look at the golf course. Are you gonna play here? No. That's too far.
Like, yeah.
TJ, no. See how smart I am?
She looks bloody unreal.
What? No, TJ, I'll have no money, please.
Nag-stop muna kami dito sa Watson's Leisure Center. Kasi yung, what do you call that, kuya? Yung jockey ni Willow, yung parang tornilyo, ano na, sira. So, bago pa tayo makarating dun sa pupunta natin, ayusin na para relax na ang holiday natin. Yung, kung maalala nyo, binablog ko si Jan tsaka si Kuya, yung pag nakapark na yung caravan, may ginaganon sila, yung wheels doon, yung parang bearing daw doon. Medyo loose, so kailangan palitan. Okay. Hindi na ako makapaghintay na mag-relax tayo doon. Wala nang biyahe for a long time, like long biyahe. No, I don't have Baba. It's in the caravan.
So it would have
Do you want me to get you something?
just
What? You want your greens too? Finish it? Okay. Kuhaan ko muna siya.
I need to finish my half one.
Yeah, okay. And then, Sak, anyone wants biscuit there?
May place.
Because we have an hour, 20 minutes.
What, here?
No. Driving. Do you want anything so I can get it?
I want a wrap, please.
Oh no, we don't have wraps. No, I cannot make it that. We still have ham, but I don't think so. Well, I can make it right away because I'm not sure how long they're gonna take here.
Can you bring
No,
that?
Dad said 2
Do
seconds.
you have
That's
one?
right, so I cannot make it. Madali lang daw kasi yun.
Okay,
Ano?
go.
What do you want?
KFC.
Oh, Zachary.
KFC, look right there.
No, I'm not gonna go cross the road, Zach. I'm just asking what do you want from the caravan?
Oh, can I get the chicken crimpies?
What's that one?
The orange shapes.
Shapes. Okay.
Orange one.
Alright.
Can you get me popcorn, please?
Okay. This one, the original.
The original.
It is original.
That's chicken crimpy.
Is it?
Other side. Chicken crimpy.
Ah, okay. Akala ko original. Sabi ko wala na
Mommy,
yung
where's
gusto
my
niya.
popcorn?
Here, I got your popcorn here. Ay, sorry. So, si Kuya doon sa labas. Here's your green. Wait, that's not green. And I want you to finish this one, Baba.
Oh, thank you.
No, this one, the biscuit.
Oh, yeah.
Finish that one, please, before your popcorn.
Oops.
Finish it. Careful with your clothes. And kumuha. Eto, kinuha ko nito kahapon. Binalik ko ulit kasi hindi naman nakain yung ating light and tangy na sin. And kinuhaan ko na lang si kuya ng, kasi may request siya na shapes na bacon and cheese. Wala na. So, kinuhaan ko na lang siya nito. Yung favorite niyang raspberry shortcake. So, baka si Jan kumain din. And this is your popcorn, but I want you to eat this first before the popcorn. All good? How's your green? Good. Siya lang yung halos umiinom niya kasi ako hindi ko rin masyadong iniinom. Look at them, Baba. They're doing TikTok behind the car. Sak, look. May tatlong. Ayun, oh. Look, look, look. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo. That girls there. Ayun, mali. Ayun, nandun. Hindi nga lang ma-zoom. Ayan. Nagti-TikTok sila. Ayan na. Where's my phone? Look. Have you seen it, Holly? Damn. Look. Ayan yung phone nila sa likod ng car. Hindi nyo masyadong makita kasi nga yung zoom nito hindi ganun kaganda. Pinicturean ko si Jan habang kausap niya si Willow. Very yan, yung walkie-talkie ni Jan. Very helpful kasi nakakapag-usap talaga sila instead na magtawagan sa phone. Good job, baby. Well done. Good job. Siya talaga. Kaya niya to. Naintindihan ko si Sak bakit hindi niya to gusto. Kasi ako hindi ko rin ganun Before, umiinom ako ng yung may celery. Yun lang nga tapos.
Yeah, it tastes like celery.
May apple. Kaya ko yun. Before, kaya ko kasi sinanay ko yung sarili ko. Ngayon kasi, parang bago na naman sa ating panlasa. So, parang hindi ko pa siya ganun kagusto. Kaya, si Oli ang mag-uubos nun. Pero hopefully, magustuhan ko ulit siya.
I'm only the one who's taking the greens.
No, I do too. Remember?
No, I'm out of the boys.
Yes, you are. Just you and me. But, mostly you. Ayan na si Johnny Boy. Yung mga boys naglalaro ng... Tanggalin ko man ito. Naglalaro ng footy. Ayan sila,
I'm gonna go up there.
You're gonna go.
Yeah. I'm gonna go.
Ang cute nila. Ayan si Jan, ayan. What you got, babe?
Dog bowl.
What you got dog bowl for? What?
So, when we pick up the dog,
Whose dog?
we're getting the dog at Amber.
No, we're not. Oh, whatever. What dog? Huwag mo akong binibirong dog-dog ka dyan. Dami-dami na nga kung inaalagaan. Mag-aalaga pa ako ng dog.
How can it be a dog bowl and there's a hole in the middle?
That's right. So what's this? I asked you. What's this?
What's it say?
Where? I can't. Jockey wheel. Choke?
You put your jockey wheel in it and wind it up. Because when you're on grass or it rains, your jockey wheel can sink.
Sink. Okay.
And it stuffs everything up. So that won't
Okay.
sink. Right back here.
So bumili siya ng... Look at Willow. What's that in the box? Enjoy siyang ganito kalaking box. So doon yan sa aming doon kung yung winawind nilang pag nakapark na yung caravan para hindi raw mag-sink yun sa grass pag umulan. Para hindi bumaba yung caravan din natin. Ang cute nila kasi taga-stop namin naglalaro sila. Maganda yung nagka-caravan life ka, may kasama kang kaibigan. Para mas enjoy yung mga bata.
Biscuit's cool.
Yes, I
Give me a biscuit, babe, in a minute.
Yeah, I will.
That sticks, Holly. Quick, Dad, I can start the car up.
Why?
Put my window down. Holly!
You need a poo bub.
Oh,
Oh, what's he eating?
who wants to go to the toilet?
No, I thought.
Try it, Dad. It's so good.
No.
Yeah, it's good,
No,
that
I don't
one.
like them.
Don't
you
even
want
try
this,
it.
please?
Alright, let's
Dad,
go.
You want one of those?
Nah,
He
I
wants,
want
he
one.
wants this one. Kuya, this is yours. They don't have the... Oy, Connie!
Oy, Max got in their TikTok tab.
Yeah.
He's dancing in the background.
Ayan,
They all
nakikita
look
na natin yung mga... Ah, hindi doon tayo sa kabila. Nagti-TikTok nga sila.
What are you
Sila
going to? Get in.
It's just watching the kids that doing
No,
TikTok.
my hand was
Ay, ay, ay. Yes, iti-TikTok lang. Cute nga eh. Ano na sila, malalaki na. Mga parang college. Ah, sorry sir.
still stinks.
Oh, I didn't check the blinkers, TJ.
Oh, can you check now? Check now.
All right, quick, go.
Quick, go kuya.
Quick. Now I can't see. Righto.
Good? Good, yeah?
Yep.
Alright, let's go. Huh?
No, no,
You don't want raspberries?
I'm full.
Oh, alright. Pag morning tuloy si kuya, hindi ganun siya
What?
kaan.
Oh.
Hindi siya masyadong kumakain. This is for you. Not for daddy. Not for daddy
No,
na.
I'm full.
You're full. Nice sunshine, my love. Sus, di ganito kainit dun sa lugar namin. Mainit siya. Ang ganda ng weather talaga. Do you have drink? Yes, you do. Dire-diretso. So we're heading there now, hon?
How
No, I
much?
can't eat now.
Can you put in...
No, right.
My God, puno na naman tayo dito sa harapan.
Done that.
Daddy did already. Nagpagas na pala si John kanina. Bago pa kayo magising lahat, nagpagas na siya. Buti na lang nilagay natin dito para mas handy siya kaysa dun sa plastic na kung saan siya nakalagay before. At saka hindi masyadong makalat. Dream. Yung ating driver ang kumakain. Dan?
I got my helmet.
One
You
more?
didn't gotta- What helmet? What helmet? The red one. They're black and red.
Yeah, babe.
Where from? Up here.
Nilalagyan pa tayo ng phone. Madadaanan natin yung Big Banana. Yung pinuntahan natin 3 years ago. Madadaanan natin siya ulit. After 3 years.
Yeah, remember the toboggan you ran straight into me?
Yeah, just slow down.
What's
It
that?
said to.
What's that?
'Cause
The toboggan?
We were at the end. It said
Yeah, yung
slow down,
toboggan,
so I
yung
slowed down,
nag-slide
and he
kami.
kept flying around the corner and hit me.
Hindi ko mahanap yung
Yeah, let's
aking
get the speed
GoPro.
It said slow down.
So, hindi natin dala yung GoPro natin for this travel. Kahit yung aking, ano ba yun? Drone. Hindi ko rin dala. Kasi hindi niya naman ginagamit. Once lang talaga, honey, we only use the drone once. That will be enough. Wala, ayaw niya, no? So, what we gonna do with that one? Sak, learn. Kuya, learn how to... Ayaw din
You know
nila.
how to what?
Fly
Learn...
the drone.
I'll crash it.
No, you won't.
Yes, it's that
It's
hard.
just a computer game.
Yeah, try. Try.
TJ, you're picking up a piece of piss.
How about you, babe?
Yeah.
No, ayaw niya din. Ako na lang kaya. Try.
Warm.
I'll do try. Kasi sayang yung drone. Once lang namin, 3 years ago, dinala ko yun dito. Binili ko yun para dito sa trip namin 3 years ago.
What is
Trinay niya once and then that's it.
Why did we even get a drone?
Because I wanna film where we going. Because magaganda yung pinupunta namin na gamitan ng drone. Yun nga lang, Yung mga kasama ko, ayaw naman matuto. Ako din, hindi ko rin alam. Mahirap ba yun? Hindi ko pa kasi talaga tinatry din eh. Pag-aralan ko na lang siguro, kailan pa. Where's the banana hand? Is it
Yeah, I got my helmet there now.
Coming up.
left?
Yeah, the beach. Not beach closer. Target.
Oh, yeah.
Sige, ihanda ko na kayo sa banana. Big banana.
Where's the big banana?
Up around those in amongst, just coming up, I reckon. So
Be ready. Be ready. Ayan na.
Oh, the water slides. We're never gonna go on home. 60 years.
Ang daming roadwork dito. Oh, di ba? Kahapon din, ang dami din. Ngayon, dito din, madami. What page are you now?
152.
I can't hear you.
152.
152 na siya. Oh, matatapos niya na yung isang book. Si Kuya init na init kasi nasa side niya yung sun. Eto, relax. Ating driver, ang poging driver. Nasa harapan din namin yung araw. Kaya eto, laking tulong to. Pantakip. Yes. At least hindi na ganun kahaba yung ida-drive natin. How many minutes, Zachary, to get to Yamba?
Might have the minute bug up.
60 what? Kilometers? Huh? 59 kilometers?
54 minutes.
54 minutes. 59 kilometers, 54
It's like
minutes.
to the mountain back.
that's right.
Okay, to the mount and back. Oh, malapit na tayo. Isipin na lang natin nag-grocery tayo.
Mountain
Tapos,
back is not 54
after ng grocery,
minutes.
uwi. Ganun na lang.
Smiley faces in the vapor, counting corners till we get to any place but where I'm at. Every exit's good.
What are playing hand? 8 ball. May well, hindi naman real money. Pero natatalo yung isa. How much money do you have, Zach?
I lost connection. I spent money
It's like
on this
billiard,
game.
huh? Like a billiard. Billiard daw yan, guys. Yung 8
Oh,
ball.
you're in. Are you in?
Are you done
Oh,
reading,
I lost
Baba?
connection. No, you didn't.
Pagpahinga niya muna yung kanyang mata. Kasi kanina pa siya nagbabasa eh. Tingnan mo siya, oh. Oh, yung paa niya hanggang dito sa may sa amin.
Are you in? Oh, there we go. I'm in now.
Cute ng dalawa.
No, you're not. Yes,
Who's,
I am.
who's losing?
Hey,
Who?
kid, I haven't had a shot yet. He has got every one of his balls in.
Put your clothes down, Holly.
Holly, and sit up.
No, you start that. You lay down the whole way in.
Yeah, but look where her toes are.
Let her let go.
Leave her alone because she's not playing. She has...
No one ever offers Holly.
That's
Do you want to have a go
right.
on the phone, Holly?
That's right.
Not one is.
Yeah, no, Zach.
What's blood doing?
Shut up.
No.
Walang
Later.
nagpapayaram sa kanyang
Later.
phone eh. Later daw, kuya, sa will lend you the phone. You will.
Did you get a bowl in? Yeah.
Kasi yung naglalaro sila against each other, kaya
Can I
hindi
have a
siya
spoon, Holly?
hindi nila mapahiram. And yung daddy, hindi niya rin binibigay kasi mas gusto niya si Holing relax.
Holly be here anyway, so TJ, no, you can't win. You can't win, Mom. Come on. Stop gambling.
You too?
I'm losing.
That's why. But if you're winning, you will be happy, right?
What? That's luck. I'm stuck.
Big roast for tea tonight.
Yes, mag-roast. Ang Ganda ng view. Oh. Napaka-green dito.
Maybe they have books.
It's still cold. In-adjust na ni dyan yung aircon. Kasi kanina, finul niya talaga kasi sobrang init. Are you alright na, Baba?
Bash it.
Ha? Holly?
You have to bash it.
Ayan, another caravan, babe. Papunta rin siguro to sa Yamba. Do you think they're going to Yamba, ha? Baka katabi natin sila.
Bash that you. Can't win.
Kaya siya ng Bounty. Binili niya yan dun nung nagpagasolina siya.
Zani.
There's only 2.
Yes. TJ's.
Favorite niya talaga ang coconut na chocolate. Na may anything na may coconut. Kapag transfer na tayo, meron tayo dito na 23 minutes. And si Zach, pinahiram niya na yung phone sa kanyang kapatid. Malapit na tayo sa kung saan tayo mag-stay.
Because I think I do want you next to me.